How to fix ThinkPhone 25 cannot receive calls. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and click on sound and vibration. On top you can see the option do not disturb. Now click on it. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then go back and scroll down in last and click on settings and then click on reset options and click on reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, then reinsert your SIM card. After reinserting your SIM card, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.